Guys, today I'm going to play my Nintendo Switch Minecraft. Okay, let's go. I'm actually building a house. Wait, my controls not connecting. Oh. Also, I have this, which is a real. Wait, I have no sounds. Okay. Also, I have a working TV, and there's a villager in it. It's supposed to be the actor. And I also put a name tag on it, named Bob. Oh, there. Close the TV. Okay. I really like Minecraft. Okay, so that's done. Okay guys, I'm just going to go get some grass because I'm actually going to put some windows. So 6-block window. Boom. 3-block window. Wait. Okay, I actually made some mistakes here. So it's 2-block, so 6. Actually 6-block window, not a 3-block. Boom. Also, I'm actually going to turn on the TV with the lever. Actually, okay. Here's Bob. I'm just going to put TV. Boom. It's actually black. I'm just going to take these things away that I actually used to build the house. I'm just going to put this so I can make some light. Also, the redstone mechanism is hidden in here. Okay, so this is the redstone mechanism. Boom, there. Also, I don't know why my camera says it's already 3 minutes, even though I feel like it's been a few seconds. Boom. It's a bit dark, so I'm just going to add some light. So for every corner, it is going to get that. And also, I'm just going to put some lanterns over here. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to put the bed. It's going to be right over here. So I'm trying to make a modern house. Wait, I think redstone lamps actually works as a light switch. But it's complicated. Too complicated for me, I think. So I just searched What do I need more? Yes, some books. Chisel bookshelf. A book. So this is how I build in Minecraft. Just doing this for some extra detail for the bookshelf. Plus this is just boring, the old bookshelf. Also, they're actually like Among Us here. This is just found my video that I made earlier this day. Okay, now the English book. Okay, that is the bookshelf. We just need to make a sofa. Need to use quartz. So I'm going to be right in the middle. Boom. Boom, I'm a master builder. So you can okay. So you can pretend to sit down. What else? I don't know. Maybe like me. Oh wait, I know what to do now. You know what to do? If there is enough space, just going to make a table. No, it's actually no space anymore. Maybe put the table here. No, not that. Okay, I'm just going to put some item frames here. So I'm just going to write a fake diary. Oh my god, something just fell. I'm just going to do it later because I'm just busy. Okay, I'm just going to write. Okay, as you wait me to finish writing, I'm just going to show you a dinosaur. So you cannot get bored. Okay, I'm done. Signed. Okay, I'm not going to enter my real name. Enter book title. I'm just going to remove the dinosaur now. Goodbye for the dinosaur. I have to use my right hand mostly to select just the angle. I'm not familiar with my left hand. Wait, it's not right. The diary by author unknown. Maxwell. Sign in diary. So put some item frames. Put it around my TV and boom. Simple home is done. Boom. Simple modern home. Also, it's not actually that simple. You actually need to use redstone. Why is the actor always there? I'm just going to close the TV. I can actually pretend to watch. The only thing you need to watch is just the villager. moving around. Okay, so that is it for now, guys. I'll be updating this home because I'm not really a master builder actually. Actually, it looks kind of good in the inside. So goodbye!